Hey guys, welcome back to the mill. Today's a very special day for Bearded Lumber. Matthew and I wanted to take a minute out and tell you how much we appreciate you. We just passed 3,100 subscribers, which I'm amazed every day that many people want to watch what we're doing. But we just also passed 1 million views on our channel, which just blows my mind. I greatly appreciate it, guys, that you'd take time out of your busy schedule to watch what Matthew and I do. We can't say it enough that we greatly appreciate it. We don't take it for granted. We appreciate all the comments. I answer every comment. Now they may not be long answers, I'm sorry, but I do answer every comment. What else, Boo?
Have an idea for anything they want us to go over that we have, just let us know.
Yeah, that's another thing. If you got any anything you want to see us do that you hadn't seen us record, you know, put that in the comment section below. We do lots of different things. You know, we sawmill pretty much every day, and it's a sawmilling channel, but we don't want to be too repetitive with it. I try to pick out the things that are unique or interesting to me, or they're oversized, you know, something massive, or some oddball banana shaped log that we're trying to make something out of. So if you got any thoughts on that, something you'd like to see, or maybe around the property you hadn't seen, drop me a comment below. But hang on, we'll be right back. Okay guys, we're back. We may be world famous now with 1 million views. We still got a nasty floor. And we still have to do the dirty side of sawmilling. We still got to clean it up. It's been a couple weeks, right? Yeah, it's not that bad, but we actually need to pull the planer out and use it. So we might as well clean the floor up. I'm not gonna pull the mill out today. I'll just sweep everything out from under it. We're not shooting for 100%. 90 would be good enough. But that's the plan for this video. Clean this mess up and tell you guys how much we appreciate you. We couldn't do it without you. I started this YouTube thing kind of as I'd gotten on to one of my buddies about why he wasn't doing YouTube, and I kind of had to eat my own words. And I thoroughly enjoyed it, I'll be honest with you. I enjoy this more than I ever thought I would. I enjoy the teaching aspect of it. I enjoy the interacting with different people from around the country, around the world. I was looking at our analytics this last night. Thailand, Philippines, Bangladesh, India, Germany, Poland. You know, we got people all around the country that enjoy this kind of content, and we're greatly appreciative of it. So I think that'll be enough for today. It's just we're gonna get down and get the shovel and broom out and get it cleaned up. But guys, we appreciate you watching.
the other tires. I got to do the other tires.
Yeah, I want to jump. Okay, guys, it's clean again. It's clean enough for today. It's late in the afternoon. We've been stacking lumber all day. Had to swap the kiln out. And like I say, we need to run the planer a little bit tomorrow. So we thought it a good idea to just go ahead and clean up this afternoon. Guys, we can't tell you enough how much we greatly appreciate each and every one of you. 1 million views on buried lumber is, it blows my mind. I appreciate every one of them. That's going to do it for today. We got some interesting things coming up in the future. Some surprises, some stuff we got going on, but we'll get to those shortly. That's going to do it. We'll see you back at the mill.
Thank you for watching. Here's a video selection and a playlist suggestion. Click here to subscribe for more great content. We'll see you at the mill.